This is why you need tinned fish in your life. Spoiler alert, it's not just for cats anymore. Let's dive right in. Tinned fish like sardines, tuna, and salmon are making waves in the foodie world. And it's not just because they're tasty. These little fishies are packed with omega-3s, which are amazing for your brain and heart. Dietitian Rima Kleiner calls it the ultimate brain food. She's not kidding. Omega-3s from fish help build nerve and brain cells, making you sharper and healthier. And guess what? Eating sardines is even better than popping a fish oil pill. Worried about the taste? Relax. You can mix tinned fish into pasta, stuff it into veggies, or blend it into spreads. Ever tried a Caesar salad? Yep, that delicious dressing gets its oomph from anchovies. So next time you're shopping, don't be shy. Give tinned fish a try and reel in those health benefits. It's time to make a splash with your diet. Click the link for more details. Stay fishy, friends.